it's Ben Swain from the Video My Job Customer Success Team. I'm here today to take you through our awesome candidate-facing tool, VideoMyTalent. This tool allows you to send a video to a candidate and a candidate to respond to your video with their own, answering questions that you decide on. So, without further ado, let's take you through it. Now, in order to utilize VMT, you'll need to make sure your video is published. Click on the Publish Video, and now at the bottom, there'll be an option for a talent campaign. You click on that, and that'll take you through to the section here. We pre-populate 3 dummy questions for you to utilize, but you can easily click on the plus, add a question, and decide something else. It's going, is this demo helpful? So, take it through. You can choose the duration by clicking the plus and the minus, and then click done. Voila, we have a 3rd question. But here's the thing. I don't all need these questions. I don't need all of these questions either. So what I can do, put my thumb on there and slide it across and click delete. Awesome. The next step now is to make sure we send it to the right person. So we click next. We need to type in the contact. Now this works via text message. So you can put the phone number in there. Now if you have a person's name saved, like for example here I've got Caroline Mustafa saved, I could use that. Or I can type in a phone number myself, 040909 3706. Basically my phone number. I click done and you'll notice this red box appear. Don't worry, that doesn't mean you've done something wrong. It simply means we don't have the correct information for that person. By clicking on it, you can now add their first name and last name. Voila. Click save, and then click send. Now, this will send to their text message machine, also known as a phone. What you need to do is click yes, and they will get a notification like this. I've turned off notifications. Don't worry, I just realized that. So instead of turning off notifications, I can simply go to my text messages, and they'll get a message like this. So, what does this mean? Well, really simple. They will get a message saying, name. To apply for this video, click on this link, which will take them through to the App Store to download VideoMyTalent. They'll utilize this one-time code to actually download, to actually access their account. So, go back to VideoMyTalent. Lucky enough, I've got it saved in my phone. And what will happen now is that if I use my one-time code, the message is already pre-populated it. 7273, the last 4 digits of my phone number, 3706, and click login. Voila, I now have a video to watch and some questions to answer. To watch the video, you simply click the play button at the top, and then to start answering, you click the blue button here. Now, what this will do is this will ask you to answer the questions. If you're a candidate, you go, okay, cool. How do I know which question's which? Well, you simply click on question 1 and click record, and then you get basically the question. You'll also get a timer. That counts down as opposed to as a consultant, you get to count up. This gives the consultant and the candidate an understanding as to how long they need to speak for. So let's hit the red button and go from there. You get a 3-second countdown as per usual. But here's the thing. I can also be in the silhouette and I can use this space here for editing later on down the line. What I can also do is click the start over button in the top right hand corner if I make a mistake. So now that I've done about, say, 15 or so seconds, I'm actually going to hit the red button and we're done. Awesome. Now, in order to make this work quickly, I'm actually going to just simply click on the question option and click import. And I import the same video I just made. But what I can do is I can also trim these videos just like I would a normal one as a consultant. By doing this, you simply click on the video and click on trim. And it'll allow you to trim, start, and the end of the video. Cool stuff. Now, other questions people often give me are, how many attempts can they have and how long can they go for? Well, the attempts are unlimited at the moment, but we are looking at options to limit those. And also, the second part to that is we do have questions that can go upwards of a couple of minutes. So, no worries there. I click send, and what will happen now is this video will be sent back to the consultant at Video My Job. And what will happen is when this appears properly, you will see that now this video will appear in my talent inbox in the actual app. So it's starting to send now, which is great. It's just sending through the video now. Once that's done, I'll get a notification. Now, I've got notifications turned off on my phone in order to make sure that you can have a good experience watching this one. So success, fantastic. The candidate logs out, and then we log back into our Video My Job app and click on the X and go through to the talent section, and voila, there's the video I just made. I can click on it and I'll download the assets so I can watch the video. What happens now is just like any other video that you create. You're able to edit it, add text box, add captions, add images and video as well to really spruce it up. So once that's done, it's a really simple case of it appearing in your Video My Job dashboard, and you can utilize it just as you would with any other video that you create. So once this finishes downloading the assets, we've got a bit of a slow internet day here. You can see here, you can choose the logo that you want. So mine will automatically choose the latest logo I use, which is my Video My Job one. I click next, it'll prepare the video, and then it'll basically give me the option to trim myself, these two videos. I can click next, and then I've got the details there of the candidate. Once it's done, and you go to the second question, as you can see, there is a fade. So it fades in between questions to make it easier for you to differentiate between question 1, question 2, and question 3. I click next. You simply update the job title, which actually is the name of the candidate, which here is Ben Swain application. And you can choose the thumbnail if you want to change this up. Excellent. Okay, now that we've done that, we click next, and it uploads the video just as normal. So that is VideoMyTalent in a nutshell. It's a really effective tool for candidates to utilize. It's also a really effective tool for you to be able to show more personality with your candidates, especially if you're working on behalf of them. So in the meantime, if you have any questions about how VideoMyTalent works or any questions about the way in which it's built, please get in touch with us via that blue bubble in the bottom right-hand corner of your dashboard. So if I click down here, you scroll down here, usually there's a blue bubble here, or I can go into support, and it'll take me through to the support function here as well.